Allah, I said Allah to share Nigeria into four. Allah share Nigeria into four. Let's
that justice for Deborah, justice for Deborah. So, if you haven't forgotten the Southerners, Deborah was not killing just for no reason. Deborah was killed because she abused the holy prophet, our beloved prophet, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
That we should be united. How can people of different religions, different culture and language become one?
Yes, my people, what did they happen now? This Edo matter. This Uromi Edo versus the Northerners. And the Fulani S-men, and the Fulani hunters versus the whole Nigeria. Be like I said, the thing no one rest, yo. The matter no one rest. They don't go report Nigeria for Saudi. And divide the Nigeria. Divide Nigeria. Make everybody rest. They don't go report us for Saudi. Now there is threat on the Christians. And one Christian in this thing, what in do kokomo. This video is circulating online. But what in do kokomo one Christian? I bet Mona let me call Very Dark Man. Very Dark Man, go find somewhere, sit down. I bet go rest, my brother. Go rest. You say they give IGP 48 hours, I mean 24 hours. They play. Very Dark Man. They waiting. They play. If I arrest that, if police arrest that guy, make I know what's happen. And even if they arrest him, maybe they see this video. If they prosecute that guy, make us see what's happen for Nigeria. When the real sons and daughters of Nigerian government are talking, Very Dark Man, you dare no talk. Me and you will be adopted children, yo, for Nigeria. The first citizens are talking, threatening, and you say, come arrest here. Who does that? Who does that? Even I say this matter go long go. See today. Nearly, just check the dates. Breaking. Resident flees as herdsmen launch fresh attack on Benue community. Look at the date. 1st of April 2025. Nobody is saying anything. Everywhere is silent. No justice. This happened yesterday. Ni Enugu. Now, elders overrun farm settlements. Occupy home schools in Enugu. Amufu amid government silence. Even in Enugu. They attacked Enugu yesterday. They are in Benue State today. Nobody is saying anything. Please share this video. Let the notaries come out and talk. Tell that man, go sit down one place. Go waiting. Go sit down one place. They don't go arrest him. And if they arrest him, they will not prosecute him. Because if they try to prosecute him, many sons, SAN, many lawyers will stand up to defend him. Those sons that defended those who murdered Deborah, a 200 university students, 200 level of Shagari University, they will stand up. They dare not even try it. Oga IGP, sir, I know say you know the level where you feel go. If na me YORUBAWUYI talk am now, and I for don't track my phone. Oh yeah, arrest her, arrest him. This propaganda wey dey Nigeria, everybody dey see am. Even Very Dark Man go ti yari. Only Very Dark Man go gbona, o go binu buruku báyìí. What if na ogun dem dey find, me dem bring the ogun come. Very Dark Man only ko jẹ́ kó di ogun. Pepo ogun náà ni wọ́n fẹ́ kí wọ́n kon fẹ́ kó sọ́dọ̀ ogun. Kó everybody bo. This thing is getting out of hand. this humiliation is too much. Edo people, sure I don't hear say your government say your governor Monday Opolo abikilo kwe. Ola won not ni won fún lówó. He said some of them donated money for his election. I don't know they carry last. Your government. Edo people, how far? I hope say bí wọ́n ṣe ń pa àwọn ọmọ Edo. The same way this Monday, Mr. Monday Opolo àbí Ogolo àbí kí ló kọ ẹ̀. Monday kí ló ń jẹ́? Ọpẹ́ Bolo àbí kí ló kọ ẹ̀. I just hope say na governor of Edo State. The same way you are going to the north now to commiserate with them. I just hope say na that same strength and energy now you dey use when Fulani esme kill your people. Abi? Where maybe your people they don't donate money for you. You see, these our governors, our not just the Edo State, including Yoruba land. That is one of the reasons these people they will not say anything, no matter the atrocity all this Fulani esme will commit in their states. They have clue. They have bóyá ìmùlẹ̀ ní kí n pé wọ́n ti múlẹ̀ wọ́n ti jọ múlẹ̀ papọ̀. I don't want to go there. Hear this one. Wow. I will play that video for you. Let's hear this.
Okay. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm talking with Nigerians. I asked Allah. I said Allah to share Nigeria into 4. Allah share Nigeria into 4. Let's everybody relax. We don't have any time. They were killing everybody. If Habinda, what happened in Edo State, it happened in northern Nigeria. It happened that they kill Igbo people or they kill any southerner. The story will be different. The story will be different. You know, Igbo people with propaganda. Small time they say Muslims are killing Christians. It happened in the north side. I have one of my previous video that I said about that it come happen real. Okay. You understand? So we don't want any issue. May Allah, I say God, may God share Nigeria into 4 parts. May you give your Biafra 5 plot of your land. You carry JJ, go. We don't get issue with you. No Niger Delta, you get oil, you get resources. May God give you your own creek. Carry your creek, go. JJ, no fight. Yoruba people, Allah don't give you blessing of sea. You have seaport, you have resources. Carry your resources, alhamdulillah. Carry them, JJJ, go without sharing of blood. Very simple. We are deceiving ourselves every time. One Nigerians, but we are not one for our minds. Just take a good look at what happened in Nigeria. It has been that what happened recently in Edo State, it happened in the north side. The story will be different. Even channel television cannot allow to rest. Social media everywhere. But now it happened with Hausa people. They look like people are taking them like animals. I see some people are doing propaganda, is carrying another bandage pictures, another country pictures are posting. I say that, see, Northern, where are they carrying for AK-47 to go? This, you see what happened? You, Northern, you have lands. You have land to farm. You have gold. You have oil. We, Northern, we have oil. Yes. We have oil as Niger Delta have.
Thank you.
So where are we looking? Everybody carries own self, JJ, and go. Share without blood.
Thank you.
We can share the country without blood.
Thank you.
It happened during Jonathan. They did it in House of Assembly. They did not succeed. But inshallah, now let's do it by ourselves. Just let's do it generalizing, not sharing of blood.
Thank you.
Let's share the country. Everybody will stay peace. Everybody will stay peace. If I'm going to Lagos and I'm going to another country, I'll follow their rules. If they are coming to my side, they know they are going to another country, they follow their side. Everybody is very simple. All is West Africa. As I was saying.
Can I hear loud amen? Holy Ghost. Can I hear loud amen? He said if they won't share this country, he said make them share them. About my share in the comment section. Let me see how happy and excited you are. He's in Kaaba. Ṣé Kaaba ló wà yẹn? I think Saudi Arabia, where they believe prayer can be answered. This guy have said it ọ̀rọ̀ jáde àṣẹ tẹ̀lé ó yá ẹ wọnú ẹ̀mí lọ ẹ̀yin ìyá mi ó yá ẹ̀yin bàbá mi Holy Ghost kò ní kálukú wọnú ẹ̀mí lọ. Àbí you don't like what he said? You don't like what he said? Hey, Elédùmarè wọ lọ́jọ́ èní jẹ́ kó ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ ó ti sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ jẹ́ kó ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ kó ní kálukú lọ́rùn ẹ̀ wàhálà yìí ti pọ̀ jù. Wàhálà yìí ti pọ̀ jù àfẹ́ wàhálà àfẹ́ fìtínà we don't like sharing of blood do. It's okay. It's okay. Off the mic of Nigeria. Let everybody go to their own tent. Kọ́lọ́múdọ́mù yẹ́gbẹ́ ọ̀fọ́n títọ́ sí gbẹ́gìrì. Kọ́lọ́múdọ́mù yẹ́gbẹ́ wọ́n ní we are not one. How do you expect people of different culture, different of religion, different of this, different of that to become one? Are we one? Are we? Hey! Please, I have to use this medium to appreciate everyone on this platform that you have been sharing my video, inviting friends and family, because Moripe, at least people, you guys are just coming, watching my video, sharing it. Even I was in a platform where someone even shared my video there, and he put a caption there. Thank you so much. I appreciate you. Eshegoni Modupe. Thank you so much. If you love this show, yeah, subscribe, put your notification, see all. Remember to on your notification. Stop sending me message. Madam, which time you dey do show? Madam, I don't want that one. You dey let it care for now. Oh. Thank you. I more appreciate you. Thank you for more comments. Baba me comment. Don't be saying I only me go to talk. We supposed to put comments. We don't know my film do. I dey comment section. I like camera, but where? I dey comment section. Wetin you dey comment? I dey watch am. Kí lẹ rí sí nǹkan tí bọ̀bọ̀ yìí sọ. He said we are not one. And the other guy said we are not one also. Now let's listen to this guy.
Good morning, my fellow Nigerians. So I have seen a lot of people complaining that justice for Deborah, justice for Deborah. So if you haven't forgotten the Southerners, Deborah was not killing just for no reason.
Hey!
Deborah was killed because she abused the holy prophet, our beloved prophet, Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
Imagine.
Have you ever seen any northerner abusing Jesus? No. There is no any northerner that have abused Jesus. No, it has never happened. But those stupid Christians among you, the stupid among you, the dumbest among you abuse the holy prophet, and you think that we will keep quiet and see? That is the law. Anybody that abuses our prophet, he or she will be killed. Because don't forget. We have never abused Jesus, and we will never. Because let me tell you something that you don't know. In Islamic,
they have never abused Jesus.
In Islam, that is our religion. If you abuse Jesus, you are no more a Muslim. That is Prophet Isa alayhi salam. As you know him, not Jesus, but his name is Prophet Isa. Number one, the only difference between we and you people are we only believe that Jesus is a prophet, is a messenger sent from Allah. That is the God, the creator of all creators. You consider a human being as a God. Imagine. He is a prophet and a messenger. Don't forget that. Let me tell you something. If these actions are not taken against these 16 northerners that are killed in Edo, anything that follows to your people here in the north, you are the people that cause it. Mr. President Bola Tinubu, this is a message direct to you. And His Excellency, the Governor of Edo State, Mr. Monday, this is also a message directly to you. You know you have many of your people in the north, more especially Borno State, Kano State, Jos, Kaduna, Jigawa, not Jigawa, but I think around Adamawa people. So there are many Christians there. We won't consider whether you are from Edo, whether if you are from Cote d'Ivoire. Definitely if you are a southerner, the things that will follow are caused by you people. That is you and President Tinubu. Mr. Monday, actions must be taken within these 48 hours. Because
48 hours.
We will do this thing when it is very harsh, because we won't allow our heart to have patience. Let it be the last warning. 48 hours is enough. 48 hours is enough. Time is not against you. Time is against us. Mr. President, you only have few minutes. Few minutes, not even hours, minutes. Fetch out those people that did so. Because if actions are not taken, you have your people here, then we will do same to them. Thank you.
This is not funny, oh. This is a bit so funny, ni. So funny, ni. Mr. Monday. Okpabolo, abikilo wiko the governor of Edo State. Can you now see that there's no amount of persuasion that you can give to somebody that think he is above everybody, that he or she will be pleased with it? No amount of persuasion. These people then go retaliate. Video ti very that man rí leleyi o tó bínú tó ń fara ya again ona wa give IG kíní kan, I give general police kíní kan time 48 hours. This boy must be arrested. Even Tinubu cannot arrest him. Even Tinubu cannot try it. Kí ló sọ? Because he said that àwọn Christian tó wà ní north wọ́n máa ṣe kíní kan fún wọn. Even when they say they should go and buy Remi Tinubu, what happened after it? What happened? What happened after it? Tony call up Remi Tinubu because she is a Christian. What happened after it? Even Tinubu cannot do that. No be me and you dey talk now. No be Sunday Igboho now. That Sunday Igboho ló sọ̀rọ̀ nísìn. Wọ́n ti 24 hours wọ́n ti ní kó lọ gbé. Wọ́n ti ráwọn Yorùbá. Wọ́n ti bọ́ta. Sunday Igboho ó ti threaten wọn Yorùbá. Wọ́n ti bọ́ta. Even the wọ́n ti rí Majamaja police station. Even the police station will follow the police. Go Sunday Igboho's house. Police station will follow police. Operation Crocodile dancing, Operation Python dancing, Operation Kulikuli dancing, Operation Okwa dancing, Operation Ejo dancing, even Operation Okanda dance. If care is not taken, they will get security from foreign land. If not Northerner, if not Southerner or Easterner say this one. If anybody from Igbo land said this, Biafra land will have been boiling by now. With unknown men cover their faces with unknown mask. Everywhere would have been boiling like this. Even El-Rufai's son said it. What happened? Nothing. We are just like collateral in Nigeria. The rest of us are like collateral in Nigeria. What if you wá yá owó? And there's nothing anybody can do about it. Now, Northerners elders demand probe and compensation. National elders, Northerners, Northern elders, they now demand probe and give 14 days to government and the government and Uromi people. Federal government, ask federal government, Edo government to pay blood money to victims' family. They ask federal government and Edo governor to pay blood money.
True. Mr. Shetima, you mentioned earlier that the North is calm, at the moment. And like I said, it is the expectation that it would remain calm. Beyond the North to the South, every part of the country. But what is your call to Northern youth at this time, especially as efforts are ongoing to ensure justice?
Ever since this happened in the last 48 hours, we've been having a series of meetings in Kaduna, Kano, and other places across the board to ensure that we calm the nerves of various groups, individual and groups. And so far so good, the response we are getting is quite encouraging. Nobody wants to do anything funny, nobody wants to take law into his hand because our people are civil. To that extent, you can be rest assured that we will continue to engage the people while the government are doing what they are doing. We will also continue to do our own part of the effort to ensure that there is a calm while we look forward to see what the government will do at the end of the day. But we want to continue to encourage the government to do the needful. They must face the wrath of what they committed. The law must take its full oath. And to that extent, that will serve as a deterrent to others so that at the end of the day, nobody would think we are in a society where rule of law does not matter.
President Arawa Consultative Youth Forum, Yoruma Shetima.
That happened in Uromi. It's like I was the one that was touched.
Oh, God.
I got the information in the night. At 4 a.m., I had already set to travel to Uromi. I couldn't wait to board an aircraft because I needed to be there on time. Your Excellency, I got there, I met my house brothers. When I got there, it was a different ball game. They all dropped their anger. The next thing they could be saying is 4 plus 4. So that is the level of love we have. They have for me and I have for them. In my electionary period, these people, some of them even contributed money for my election. Indeed, it was a sad moment. And I pray that they allow if the family they had to get.
They will be taken to Abuja.
Your Excellency, we have made tremendous progress. I can assure you that in this country, Mr. President wasn't happy at all.
The same way, see everybody
he didn't waste time. He make no mistake to direct the service chiefs.
That is the same way they do this. Now,
Inspector General of Police to go after the killers of these people.
Occupy home schools and in Enugu, Eha, Amufu, amid government silence. I think you can see the date. That was yesterday. No, this S-men lost Enugu. One lost Enugu. Everybody don't leave their place for Enugu. Since yesterday now, government don't say anything. Now, this one are today, April 1st. Breaking. Residents flee as Asmen launch fresh attack on Benue community. Mother share am give very dark man, make him keep him out too. Me and that very dark man and others will be stranger for Nigeria. Now, amid what we are saying now, Pam, no television paper will carry it. And despite what Monday, Mr. Monday Okpebolo, despite what he is saying, what he is doing, traveling, kí ni wọ́n sọ? Wọ́n ní kò ṣe anything. See you on my next show. Yorubawuyi lórúkọ mi. Yorubawuyi lèmi ń jẹ́ o. I am the one and only Akalolo of Yorùbá land. Adáwọn lè Yorùbá. Ọmọjọmọdé yolóyè tí òpè méjì Abẹ́ní ọmọ òṣè pààrọ̀. Ẹ tó máa pààrọ̀ Yorubawuyi. Adéwájú federal government. Tó bá máa sign ẹ̀ Adéwájú Elédùmarè. Èèyàn kí Ọlọ́run lọ́fẹ̀ẹ́. Ó lè kú bí 99 times. See you on my next show. Bá mi tẹ thumb up lórí show yìí. Ètò ìbá ti download tap send. Bá mi download tap send. Ẹ lo promo code Abiola TTS. That is, ẹ máa fi send owó sí anywhere. Láti anywhere tẹ bá wà, ẹ máa fi send owó sí Nigeria anywhere. But don't forget to use that promo code. Ní first, tẹ bá kọ́kọ́ fẹ́ di owó sílé. What is your take on this? Follow me for more. I am here for you. I love you. Bye bye.